Thutha wa gukorwo metereire kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe kumenya kiria giathire na mbere utuku wa mweri 5 mweri wa kenda mwaka muhituku na gucungiriria ikuo cia ciana 21, aciari aya riu ni mathingatite thirikari makienda kurihwo hathara hamwe na kumenya kiria kiarire kiria kingi utuku ucio.
What we are mainly seeking from the court is the defense of the constitution and the upholding of the rights of the deceased children that were that their lives were cut short.
Ali njira imwe ya guthingata kihoto, Macira meri nimahaditwo igoti-ini ni komishoni ya kuruirira ihoto cia omundu KHRC, cira wa mbere ukienda thirikari kuoera ikinya maabitha a ministry ya githomo aria magondereire wira-ini hamwe na urugamiriri wa thukuru wa HILLSIDE.
Mainly what we are seeking to achieve through the constitutional petition is to hold those that are duty bound accountable to their responsibilities and duties, more so the school, HILLSIDE and ARIA Academy, more so the owners of the school, and more importantly the Ministry of Education.
Iguru wa uguo aciari ni marenda kumburirwo maria mahanikire utuku wa tariki 5 mweri-ini wa kenda mwaka muhituku na marihwo mioyo ya ciana ciao thutha wa gukorwo mageretie gukinyira anja cia kiria giacungiriire mwaki ucio hatari umithio.
We are convinced that there was negligence and that justice needs to be served. We are convinced that someone should be held accountable because someone slept on their job. Because no parent in this country or elsewhere should send their children to school only to receive them in charred form. No one has come to them with answers. We've heard about investigations being done. Even the DNA tests that were conducted, the results were not even brought to them. So these are key stakeholders in this matter, but they have been relegated in a matter that is all too important to them.
Ona kuri uguo komishoni yo nitugiritie itua ria thirikari kwambika uthuthuria wa muingi wa igoti kuiga utheri-ini maria mahanikire utuku ucio wa kieha na kweheria nganja.
Nevertheless, the inquest process is quite different from the constitutional route and from also the civil route that we have chosen to take. And it is important to state that the two can happen together and go in tandem, and that the law allows that the two processes can proceed simultaneously.
Irifotera Kameme TV, ni Jetago Edwin Mbugwa.